Hello, young people. This is the first installment of our Earth Science asynchronous videos. And what we're going to do is go over the basics from each unit in these series of videos. And you're going to get this stuff down in your notes. Your teacher, whether that's me or Miss Moreno or Mr. Verhey, is going to show you exactly how they want you to take notes and what they want your notebook to look like. But this is our basic foundation information. And after you get all of this in your notes, you're going to dig into one of those explorations, and that's you're gonna dive deep in that. But we got to get the foundation in our notes so we know what we're doing with our explorations. So this is going to be a series of videos. This is the first one, phenomena. Phenomena. That's a plural word. It means multiple of the word phenomenon. And phenomenon is just a thing that happens. That's it. A thing that happens. I stubbed my toe. That's a phenomenon. I let go of a pen and it dropped on the floor is a phenomenon. An asteroid hit the Earth 66 million years ago and caused all the dinosaurs to go extinct. That is a phenomenon. Phenomena can be big, they can be small. For example, scientists, sorry, not for example, quite yet. Scientists, the foundation of science starts with phenomena. We look at phenomena and we take it from there. So here's an example from Unit 1, coral bleaching. Corals are these organisms that live in warm, shallow seas all around the world. If it's a warm, shallow sea, you'll probably find a coral living there. And corals grow into these big reefs, these big, it's like a city, it's like an underwater city of fish and all sorts of creatures and microorganisms. Corals are these beautiful, vibrant colors, pinks and oranges and reds and yellows. They're gorgeous when they're healthy. So when a coral is healthy, it's this beautiful color. It's got all these microorganisms, all these other animals living on it. When a coral is not healthy, all those microorganisms that give it its color, they die. And all the bigger organisms that feed on the microorganisms, they take off because they don't have any food anymore. And the coral is left behind, and it's just this white, eerie, ghostly thing. The name of this phenomenon is coral bleaching. Coral bleaching. That might be a phenomenon that scientists would want to observe and study. One more phenomenon that scientists might observe and study from your textbook would be what's called El Nino. It's a weather event, but it's related to, well, here it is. Normally, it happens in the Pacific Ocean. Normally, the wind blows from the west to the east, from California to Japan. Normally, that's the direction the wind blows. And normally, the warm water at the surface of the ocean also flows from California to Japan, from west to east. But in an El Nino year, the wind still blows from west to east, from California to Japan, but the warm water flows the other way. It flows back from east to west. This can have global effects. It changes weather patterns worldwide. And here where we live, it results in warmer winters. So, there we go. there's your first little tidbit, is scientists look at phenomena. That's what phenomena are. Coming up next, just about turned it off, I'm not quite done. Next, we're going to talk about systems. See you on video number 2.